Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to publish invoices from Dext to Xero. Okay, and I'll make long video about Dext using in future. Okay, so this is a prompt video. So in same browser I have login my company and I have also login my Dext account. Okay, currently I have not connected my Xero. So first of all, in connection I'll come to integrate my Xero with Dext. Okay, so in connection you can see these many softwares you can connect with Dext. So in our example, I'm going to connect Xero. So I'll simply click on connect. Okay. Then connect software. Now I have to give some rights. Okay. Dext prepare wants to access your data. So I simply allow access. So this simply just user consent and select the organization. Practice 002 is my company name. As you can see, our connection has been established properly. Okay. Now you can see various options. So publish to destination for cost to purchase. Okay. So index you can publish in three ways: cost, sales, and banks. So cost is a part of purchase, then sales is a part of sales. Now there are some categories in purchase as well as sales. Okay, draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, overdue. So you can also select in which category you want to publish data from Dex to Xero. So I simply, in case of cost, I have selected awaiting approval, and in case of sales, it is auto selected draft. Okay, so I'm not going to change all these options. Okay, and in this video, I'm going to explain about purchase and expense bills. Okay, and to manage connection, you can see here is the option of manage connection. You can refresh data, then you can change connection or you can disconnect it. Okay, now simply let's add document from here. You can see three tabs: cost, sales, and bank. In this video, we are going to talk about cost. Okay, and you can see two options: one document per file, one document per page. If you have PDF, JPG, PNG, or zip file which contain only one file of one particular invoices, then you can select the first option. And if you have multiple invoices in one file, then you can select second option. I'm going to select first option because I have only one file in which there is only one invoices. Okay, one purchase invoice. So I simply select that file and you can see successfully uploads. So let me close this. Now you can see option of course here. Okay, so in processing tab, you can see our invoice has been processing. So time remaining less than 1 hour. So I don't want to waste my time. So I simply move this to inbox. So as you can see, it has been come from in processing to inbox. That now I simply click on to review. So you can see left side our invoice and right side I have to select information. Majority of the information has been auto fetched from imported file. Okay, that is bill. Like, but sometime we can make any change if we want to make. Okay, you can also create new supplier from here and which will auto create it in Xero. Okay, now I simply select the category. Okay, this is purchase, so 310. Okay. I don't need to enter amount, then date, due date, invoice number. All these things has been auto fetch. Okay, publish to purchase and publishes awaiting approval. I simply publish it. So our bill has been successfully published. Let's see whether it has been published in Xero or not. Just simply refresh it. As you can see, in awaiting approval, there is one bill. Okay, as you can see here. So we have to approve this bill. First of all, let me show you the bill, as you can see. And in left side, you can see the soft copy of invoice. Okay, and you can also make any changes here if you want to make any changes. Okay, and you can see go to Dext require. So once you click here, you will redirect to Dext login. And on the basis of this option, you can also judge that this particular bill has been done by Dext only and not by other way like manually entries or import entries. Okay, so let's approve this bill. As you can see, bill has been approved properly. Okay, so it has been moved from awaiting approval to awaiting payment. And once you publish invoice successfully, it has been removed from other tab to archive tab. Okay, it has been moved from other tabs to archive tab, as you can see. So in this manner, we can publish purchase bills from Dext to Xero. I'll make deep video in future. Okay, so this is the basic introductory video. So this is for today. Thank you.